It is. I've seen it.
Hello, this is an example of wildlife. Hibernating.
This isn't Alex.
Hello. And we're going to take down some people. We're going to run over this freaking pond.
Do the Christina.
Do the Rihanna. Here's Rihanna.
And if he was like, wow, from here. That would be a Chewbacca.
Wow. Son, look at the camera. See? We're going to take those. Those are bumps. Those are human bumps.
I'm going to take you out there.
Nature man. Watch the blood, Nathan. My ass. I'm celebrated by eyes.
My goodness.
Try to let it.
Yeah.
This is sensual chocolate. Say hello to your fans. Say I love you, baby.
No.
Okay.
I love you.
This is a example of rat hibernating. Rat! It's cheese! And that's all for Wildlife on the Bus.